Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe and John here with Petroleum Service Company, and today we're going to be talking to you about our fleet and heavy equipment section by component on petroleumservicecompany.com. So John, when someone clicks into this section, they're going to find a wide variety of applications to choose from.
Yeah, that's right, Joe. At petroleumservicecompany.com, we offer a variety of premium heavy-duty lubricants for the ultimate protection of your equipment. For example, you could be looking for heavy-duty engine oil. Well, this is where you're going to find it. Now, often when we think of heavy-duty engine oil, we think of applications like over-the-road trucks, construction, mining, and even agricultural equipment. But it doesn't end there. Other light-duty vehicles, boats, compressors, power generators, and machines running on diesel engines will benefit from these lubricants.
Right on. So, you'll also find the transmission fluids for your heavy-duty trucks, your buses, and other off-road equipment in this category.
Right. So heavy-duty transmissions, which are generally employed in vehicles that are excessive in weight, require even greater protection due to increased stress put on these components. Heavy load carrying contributes to the quick deterioration of lower quality transmission fluids, and as such, it is recommended to opt for the highest quality fluid considering its vital application.
All right, so what about if they're looking for something like heavy-duty gear lubricants or greases?
Well, gearboxes in large commercial and transportation vehicles often function at high pressures and operating temperatures for lengthy periods of time. These require quality lubricants to improve fuel economy, performance, and the overall cleanliness of the mechanism.
Okay, and when we see heavy-duty hydraulic fluids, those are intended for off-road equipment and things like tractors.
Right, so most tractors and off-road equipment consist of components that are powered by hydraulic systems. Though these oils may be capable of handling several tasks, each is formulated with the complex design of various construction and farming equipment in mind. High thermal stability, exceptional wear, protection, and widespread compatibility are some of the many qualities of these oils.
All right, perfect. And then we also have sections for your brake fluid and power steering fluid.
Yeah, definitely going to need that. So brake fluid and power steering fluid are both incredibly important in keeping you safe. Brake fluid operates in extreme temperatures and needs to be highly resilient. If it ever starts to boil due to high heat, it will lose its compressibility and your brake system's going to fail.
Yeah, and the last thing we want is to be hauling a few tons of weight and then you lose your entire brake system and you have to end up turning into a runaway truck ramp, which kind of brings us to our next thing, turning. So we also have power steering fluid in this category.
Most drivers assume steering is nothing more than turning a wheel, but it's quite complex, requiring specific hydraulic fluid to convert the circular movements of the steering wheel to pivoting tires via a power steering pump. Now this pump compresses the power steering fluid and pushes pistons within the rack and pinion, thus turning your front wheels left or right. It's incredibly important to be mindful to the resistance in your steering wheel when you're driving, as this is a telltale sign to change your power steering fluid due to oxidation. Also, keep an eye out for any leaks or unusual sounds coming from within the power steering pump.
Right, yeah, I know the one time I was short of power steering fluid, it was impossible to turn the wheel, and that makes a lot of sense. Very important tool. So, at PSC, you'll find all the highest quality products from your trusted brands such as Phillips 66, Kendall, Chevron, Sunoco, Mobil, and plenty more.
Yes, and at petroleumservicecompany.com, we try to make it easy to find these industry-leading fleet and heavy-duty lubricants when you shop for them by component.
So if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to hit us up in the chat, give us a call, or shoot us an email, and we'll be sure to get you guys the right answer and the right product for your needs. And for Petroleum Service Company, I'm Joe. With me as always is John. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.